In this video, we are going to talk about the top best solar trickle charger for car battery you can buy on Amazon. Links are in the description. Do check them out. So let's get started. 6. SOLPERK Solar Panel Kit 20W12V Solar Battery Trickle Charger Maintainer. On number 6 is the SOLPERK Kitchen Solar Panel Kit 20W12V. This is a practical and well-rounded solution for maintaining and trickle charging 12V batteries in a variety of applications, from RVs and boats to cars and motorcycles. Its purpose is to prevent battery discharge, prolonging the lifespan of idle batteries without requiring a grid connection. The kit's key features include a high-efficiency monocrystalline solar cell with a reported conversion rate of 21-30%, a smart 8A charge controller with intelligent 3-stage charging, and a highly versatile 360-degree adjustable mounting bracket 1. This last feature is a unique and highly beneficial design aspect, allowing users to easily optimize the panel's angle to capture maximum sunlight throughout the day, maximizing the trickle charge output. The overall build quality feels solid, with a durable, low-iron tempered glass surface and a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame that is both waterproof and rust-proof, capable of withstanding various weather conditions. The controller provides crucial safety protections against overcharging, reverse current, and short circuits, too. In real-life scenarios, the kit performs reliably, with users consistently reporting that it effectively keeps their batteries topped up. Compared to a competitor like the Sooner Power 20W kit, the SOLPERK stands out for its more advanced controller and a more versatile mounting bracket, providing a better user experience and potentially higher efficiency. 5. Energise 20W12V solar-powered battery charger and maintainer, built-in smart MPPT charge controller. On number 5 is the Energise 20W12V solar panel kit. This is a highly effective and durable solution for maintaining 12V batteries in a variety of off-grid scenarios. Its primary purpose is to provide a reliable trickle charge to prevent batteries from discharging over time, making it ideal for vehicles and equipment that are stored for long periods, such as cars, RVs, boats, and motorcycles. A standout feature is its built-in smart MPPT, maximum power point tracking charge controller, which is a significant upgrade from the simpler PWM controllers found in many competitor kits. This MPPT technology boosts charging efficiency by 20-30% by optimizing voltage, ensuring more power is harvested from the sun and delivered to the battery, especially in cold weather. The unit's build quality is robust, featuring strong tempered glass and a corrosion-resistant ABS frame that can withstand harsh weather, including high winds and snow loads, giving it a solid IP65 waterproof rating 7. In real-life use, the kit is praised for its ease of installation with plug-and-play cables and pre-drilled holes, making it a maintenance-free solution for keeping batteries in optimal condition. 8. While the 20W output is only for maintenance, not for fast charging a dead battery, its superior charge controller and durability provide excellent value for money and a highly optimized charge. 4. FlexSolar 20W12V solar panel battery charger maintainer kits, trickle charger with built-in charge controller. The FlexSolar 20W12V solar panel kit is a highly portable and versatile solution designed for maintaining batteries in vehicles and for charging small electronic devices on the go. Its primary purpose is to provide a reliable trickle charge, keeping batteries topped up in cars, trucks, boats, and RVs, especially during long periods of inactivity. A unique design aspect of this product is its foldable, flexible, monocrystalline panel construction, which is a significant departure from the rigid glass and frame designs of competitors like the Energise or SOLPERK kits. This makes it exceptionally lightweight, compact, and easy to transport or hang from a backpack, a feature well-suited for campers and hikers. In addition to standard alligator clips and O-rings, the kit also includes an OBDI connector, a very convenient and unique design aspect that simplifies the connection process for many modern vehicles, and multiple USB-A and USB-C ports. The unit boasts a high conversion efficiency of up to 24%, and with its built-in charge controller, it protects devices from overcharging, 11 compared to the Sun Energize kit. The FlexSolar's portability and diverse charging connectors make it a more versatile choice for simultaneously charging small electronics in addition to maintaining batteries. However, it lacks a dedicated adjustable rigid bracket, which limits its ability to be angled for optimal sun exposure. 3. Sooner Power Waterproof 12W12V Solar Battery Charger and Maintainer Pro, built-in UltraSmart MPPT Charge Controller 15. The Sooner Power 12V12V Solar Battery Charger and Maintainer Pro is a purpose-built solution for providing a consistent trickle charge to 12V batteries in various applications, from cars and boats to RVs and trailers. A key feature of this kit is its UltraSmart MPPT Charge Controller, which is a significant step up from basic PWM controllers, boasting up to 99% tracking efficiency. This advanced technology allows the panel to generate and utilize more power and charge more effectively, a crucial aspect of its performance in real-life scenarios. Where it's designed to prevent batteries from dying over long periods of inactivity. The build quality is solid and durable, featuring tempered solar glass and a corrosion-resistant ABS frame, giving it an IP65 waterproof rating that ensures it can withstand outdoor use in various weather conditions. Its ease of use is a major selling point, with a plug-and-play design and an LED indicator that simplifies monitoring. 16. When compared to the FlexSolar kit, the Sooner Power panel trades the FlexSolar's unique portability and diverse charging ports for a more traditional, rigid design that is arguably more durable for long-term, semi-permanent installations due to its glass surface. While the 12W output is exclusively for maintenance, the MPPT controller and durability make it a highly dependable set-it-and-forget-it solution. 2. POWOXI upgraded 7.5W solar battery trickle charger maintainer 12V portable waterproof solar panel trickle charging kit 19. The POWOXI upgraded 7.5W solar battery trickle charger is a purpose-built budget-friendly solution for maintaining the health of a 12V battery. Its main function is to prevent batteries from naturally discharging over time, making it an ideal set-it-and-forget-it solution for infrequently used vehicles such as cars, motorcycles, boats, and RVs. The kit's build is notably durable, featuring a high-transparency, low-iron tempered glass and a rigid ABS plus PC frame that's more resistant to bending and scratching than flexible panels 20. This rigid design is a key differentiator from kits like the flexible FlexSolar, which sacrifices structural integrity for portability. While the POWOXI 7.5W output is lower than competitors like the Sooner Power 12W model, it is still sufficient for its intended purpose of offsetting parasitic drains and trickle charging. Crucially, the unit includes a built-in charge controller with a blocking diode and various safety protections to prevent overcharging and reverse discharge, protecting your battery investment in 21. In real-life scenarios, it performs reliably in direct sunlight, and its simple LED indicators make it easy to monitor. For its low price point, the POWOXI offers excellent value for those who need a no-frills, rigid solar maintainer that includes integrated safety features. 1. ECO-worthy 10W solar car battery charger maintainer 12V waterproof portable solar trickle charger. On number 1 is the eco-worthy 10W solar car battery charger. This is a purpose-built, straightforward solution for maintaining 12V batteries in a variety of vehicles and equipment. Its primary function is to provide a consistent trickle charge to prevent batteries from losing their power over time, making it ideal for cars, boats, RVs, and other vehicles that are stored for long periods. The kit's build is solid and durable, featuring a rigid frame and a sealed junction box that provide good weather resistance for outdoor use. Its ease of use is a major selling point, as it comes with both alligator clips and a cigarette lighter adapter for a simple plug-and-play connection that requires virtually no setup knowledge. 25. The 10W output is sufficient for offsetting most vehicles' small parasitic drains. When compared to the POWOXI kit, the EC-worthy offers a slightly higher 10W output, which can be a small advantage for larger batteries. However, the POWOXI unit boasts a built-in smart charge controller with a blocking diode, a feature that some EC-worthy models may lack, relying instead on a simple diode in the panel itself, which could affect overall safety and efficiency. The eco-worthy simple design and affordability make it a reliable, no-frills option. But users must confirm that the specific model they purchase includes the necessary charge controller for full protection. So guys, this was the video about the best solar trickle charger for car battery. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. Thank you.